LODE stock analysis and LODE stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Stock is sitting at 73 cents and it is 7.57% down. The way that I'm just observing is obviously I want to take things up, but it's not going to be like your every single buy, you know, like again, your every single like normal buy. No, first the rules need to be met and they're not right now. That means I gotta wait. I have done 33, let's say 34,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships and like just observing stock. Like, I mean, ultimately, like I call things out way beforehand here. There's the vertical line is when this video was made. And then this is the aftermath. It went as high as like $1. Let's go. But the only way that I'll move forward with this is if I see like a double break on like a 15-minute chart. This point here, I would just not buy. Again, I mainly want to see a full double break in order for me to continue to do so. And in the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. And there's not a big problem for me, honestly. I have all these auto taker symbols, just having a quick little glance every single day. It's not that big of a deal. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.